Turning to cross-strait ties now, the State Council's Taiwan Affairs Office has denied negotiations have been suspended on a trading goods pact between the Chinese mainland and Taiwan. Speaking at a news conference, a spokesman for the office, Xiaoguang, said Wednesday there has been no change to seeking expanded cooperation between the two sides. Taiwan and mainland will continue their follow-up talks on the Economic Cooperation Framework Agreement. The talks on cross-strait trading goods pact will start whenever Taiwan is ready. Earlier this month, the head of Taiwan's Mainland Affairs Office said negotiations of a trading goods agreement had been postponed. Ma also said previously signed service trade pacts has benefited Taiwan's small and medium-sized service enterprises.